Hey, I'm Bobby Bird, and a lot of people out there think that I'm a pussy. But I'm not. I mean, I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of my own cooking. And it's not like I don't have my share of problems. I've got real people problems. What? The TiVo's not working? Ugh. But it's such a necessity. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, he's not tough. I'm tough. Hey, B. Are you in there? Alright, I'm pretty sure the bee is in the car. Look at all this pollen on it. Oh, yeah. There's definitely a bee in here somewhere. Hey, bee. Are you in there? Bee. Over there. I'll open that door. Basically, the moral of the story is, don't judge a book by its cover. But, hang on. Yeah? No, Mom. I'm recording something for YouTube. Hang on. But, yes, I changed my outfit. Yes, I brushed my teeth. Hang on. Mom, I'm 25 years old. But, I know. No, it's not a personal thing. No. Hang on. But, yes, I know I haven't had a date in a while. But, no, I'm not into boys. Hey, we'll cut this. We'll cut this.